Hi, we are the team number 3 and we will show the progress of our project. Our research topic is confidence problems of university students when speaking English with other people.
One of the biggest challenges faced by many university students is the lack of confidence they have when expressing themselves in the English language. While they possess basic skills, a large number of them can feel insecure and nervous when speaking in English with others, either due to a lack of practice in those skills, the fear of making grammatical errors, or simply the fear of not being understood. Most products aimed at helping students improve their English focus on learning the language in general, but fail to teach them how to express themselves and communicate their ideas in an English-speaking environment. Helping to solve this problem is very relevant to both the academic and work life of those affected. Imagine the scenario where a student cannot express themselves in a class dominated by English speaking because they do not feel confident, despite wanting to be heard, or the scenario where the student cannot have access to the same opportunities as those who do not suffer from this problem. Considering these scenarios, we believe that it will be perfect motivation for the affected individual. How do we know this? Surveys were conducted targeting university students who know the English language, as well as surveys of professionals who are more familiar with the problem. Articles on English confidence issues were also researched to gather additional information. As a result, we concluded that university students who may not necessarily have confidence issues in their native language, but do in the English language are our target users, all with the aim of developing effective strategies and specific solutions that help students overcome these barriers and achieve better performance in the English language. Some requirements to consider are as follows. Focus on improving communication skills. The product should be specifically designed to help students improve their communication skills in English, not just to learn the language in general. Improved confidence. The product should help students increase their confidence when speaking in English, allowing them to feel more comfortable and secure in English speaking situations. Interactive exercises. The product should have interactive exercises that allow students to practice their expression skills in an English-speaking environment. Accessibility. The product should be accessible and easy to use for all the students, regardless of their level of technical ability or knowledge of the English language. As you can see on the table, the only relevant information on the user profile is the academic degree, location, technology knowledge, goals, and English knowledge.
For example, this is Eduardo Perez. Eduardo is a software engineering student. He describes himself as a good student although when he has to do job interviews or get involved in exhibitions. Since his university is bilingual, he needs to communicate in English, where despite having knowledge of the language, he cannot communicate correctly with other students or teachers using it because he feels very worried that his peers will judge him negatively.
In conclusion, university students who lack confidence when expressing themselves in English face significant challenges that can impact their academic and work life. Most existing English language learning products fail to address this problem. Therefore, it is necessary to develop specific solutions that focus on improving communication skills, increasing confidence, providing interactive exercises, and ensuring accessibility for all students. Surveys and research have confirmed that this is a relevant issue, and the development of effective strategies to overcome these barriers can help students achieve better performance in the English language.
Thank you all for your time and attention during this presentation. If you would like to follow our project and stay up to date with our updates and progress, we invite you to scan the QR code on the screen so you can visit our repository on GitHub. We are very excited to share our work with the community and hope that it will be useful and inspiring for those working on similar topics. See you on GitHub.